In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Lovable. By the end, you'll have your account ready, your first idea generated, and a clear path to publish your app. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable. Click through to the official site. On the homepage, choose Log In. Even if you're new, this option will guide you into the sign-up flow. Select Continue with Email, then type in your email address carefully and click Continue. Next, create a secure password you'll remember. Aim for something unique and strong. When you're ready, click Create Your Account. Now, head to your email inbox to finish setting things up. Look for the verification or confirmation message from Lovable and complete the process. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder, then return to the site once your email is verified. Back in Lovable, you'll be asked for your full name, enter it as you'd like it to appear in your workspace, then click Continue. You may see some optional onboarding steps or questions. For now, you can click skip and jump straight into building. You'll land on a screen where you can tell Lovable what you want to create. In the prompt box, describe your project clearly, for example, a to-do list app with login. Short, direct descriptions work well. When you're happy with your prompt, click send. Give Lovable a moment to generate your app. This step can take a little time as it sets up pages, components, and basic logic from your description. Once it's ready, you'll see a visual editor. Here, you can customize the design, adjust colors and fonts, rearrange sections, rename buttons, and fine-tune content. Make small changes and preview often so you can see the impact right away. When the layout looks good, try the app. Use the built-in preview or play mode to click through screens, test forms, and check simple flows like logging in or adding an item. If anything feels off, return to the editor to make quick tweaks and test again. When you're satisfied with the result, click Publish. This will package your changes and make the app shareable or accessible according to the options provided. Before publishing, it's a good idea to double-check text, links, and any visible labels to ensure everything is clear and consistent. That's it. You searched for Lovable, created your account, verified your email, entered your name, prompted your idea, let Lovable generate it, customized the design, tried the app, and published. You're ready to start building with confidence.